హాయ్ అండి, నా పేరు శశిధర్. దిస్ ఇస్ సాయి. మేము హైదరాబాద్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్లో ఒక కొత్త క్లబ్ అండ్ రెస్టారెంట్ ఓపెన్ చేసామండి ఇవాళ. క్లబ్ వచ్చేసి పేరు బిగ్ బుల్, రెస్టారెంట్ పేరు వచ్చేసి మాయ్. మాయ్ will give a Michelin rated experience in Hyderabad for the first time. We have a chef called Moe Faruqi, who is associated with many Michelin rated restaurants globally. And on the other end, inside the restaurant, we also have Mr. Param Luthra, who's one of India's biggest consultant in food. So you will have a global fusion combination of both these chefs. And then coming back to the drinks, we have our mixologist from Barcelona. His name is Claudio. He's associated with one of the top 30 cocktail bars in the world. And then we also have Saurav Samantha, who's part of India's top mixologist. He's done some crazy work in India. And there's I think we've cracked good combination of having good food, good drinks onto the global platform. And the ambience is very good, Andy. You'll have all stone art right from your entry. There's water body, there's a bit of fire, on safe standards.
Yeah, Big Bull, as the name suggests, it represents grandeur. మీరు ఎలివేషన్ లైట్స్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ చూసినప్పుడు that inspired our name for Big Bull. Big Bull వచ్చేసి we are calling it a super club because we have lot of technicals. We have world's #1 sound system, which is Function 1, and the specs that we have in our club from Function 1 is like nobody in Asia apart from Dubai has that kind of specs in sound system. We have more than 40 plus kinetic motors. So what I mean to say by that is, it's an interactive experience. There are different elements in the ceiling which will come down, which will make different shapes. So you'll suddenly feel like the whole, the dimensions of the rooms have changed. So atla oka very interactive and immersive experience untadi. Apart from that, we have over 250 to 300 lights, individual lights, which will again be a very coordinated effort between the DJ, the lighting jockey, the visual jockey, and the motor operator. So even the layout, we have the layout is very interesting in a way that we have a lot of VIP sections where there are private pods, so that all the VIP guests and people who want to have their privacy in a club, they don't really want to be crowded. Valaguda, we have amazing layout set up in the club.